So the last example that we're going to do will be when you have a binomial in the numerator, which is a complex number, and a binomial in the denominator, which is also a complex number. So if we have 5 minus 5i over 3 minus 4i, we have to multiply by the complex conjugate, which is 3 plus 4i. We have to do that on top and on bottom. So we will double distribute on the top and the bottom. So we end up with 15 plus 20i minus 15i minus 20i squared. Okay. On the bottom, we will double distribute, but this time remember the two inside terms cancel. So we have 3 times 3 is 9, and then we just have to do our last two terms minus 16i squared. So on the top here, we will combine like terms. So we keep the 15. 20 minus 15 is 5, so I have positive 5i. And then I take my I squared and multiply by negative 1, so I end up with plus 20. On the bottom, I multiply by negative 1, which takes the place of I squared, and I end up with 9 plus 16. So I have to combine like terms once again. So I end up with 35 plus 5i. Remember, we want the I to be the second term here, over 25. And because all three of my numbers are divisible by 5, we can reduce. If there were just 2, that would not work. So if we divide by 5 for each of these, I end up with 7 plus I over 5. There we go.